Okay, while our head sets up to dry, I'm going to start. We're just using a plain white that you can get in any craft store or any department store, actually, Walmart, any of those stores that carry art supplies, you can find this. Okay, we're going to start with these pieces that are done. We got the paws, the feet. So these are all set. So we'll go ahead and get this part painted. We're just going to use a base white paint. And I've wiped it all down. So we'll put one coat on, then I'll use 220 grit sandpaper and kind of sand it down a little bit so you get a smoother finish. But I'll probably put 2, maybe 3 coats of this white on here, depending on how it looks. But I've taken all the hardware off so it doesn't get in the way of my painting. Just hang it up to dry. As I put these hooks in here so I can hang it to dry, you don't have to set it on something. And then once I put these, attach these to the body, I take those back off. If you enjoy my videos or you find them helpful, please like my YouTube page and subscribe. I would appreciate you doing that. As long as you like them, I will keep posting them for you. I hope this finds this helpful when you're making your own or you just like to watch it be done. So we're going to finish with the hands and feet, and then we'll let them dry, and then we'll go on to the next step. Thanks for watching.